Ready? How many wheels you want? One or two?
Kevin, it's a little wheelie.
So Dominic, tell me about your experience.
Well, it was kind of fast. Pipes were blowing on me. It was like under my legs. I had to keep them out.
Yep.
While I was still holding on to him, he did some sharp turns.
Oh, here they come.
And there they are.
Here they come.
She's driving it by herself. She wants one.
Here she comes.
Look at the neighbors down.
Watch out.
Hold this, I'll get her off.
Hang on. Just watch the pipes. So
What am I supposed to do?
Stand up on both.
stand up on. There you go.
Stand up both.
All set? Who's next?